Hi, this is Money in My Room, and in this video I will show you how to buy Galactic Kitty Fighters on Pancakeswap using a PC. Galactic Kitty Fighters is the top gaining crypto on CoinMarketCap today at number 3018, and it's up 1,572%. This Metaverse gaming crypto was just released on February 2nd, a couple of days ago, and I've heard that Metaverse crypto gaming is going to be really big in the future, so this might be something worth looking at. Galactic Kitty Fighters is a next generation Metaverse gaming project. GFK will be used to purchase weapons, equipment, and also mint NFTs. Players of Galactic Kitty Fighters will earn KBP through gameplay. This is from Crypto News. Galactic Kitty Fighters was launched on February 2nd. It is a metaverse ecosystem that will feature decentralized play-to-earn NFT games, enabling users to earn tokens by participating in their economy. To purchase some Galactic Kitty Fighters crypto, the first thing you need to do is link a crypto wallet to Pancakeswap. So for this example, I'll show you how to get the Binance wallet. If you go to your Firefox add-ons, you can download Binance wallet. Or if you're using Chrome, you can go to the Google Chrome store and get the Binance wallet there. You can then connect your Binance wallet to Pancakeswap by pressing the connect button, and then after that you will need to add some BNB Binance tokens to your Binance wallet. If you go to the top right of your browser and select the Binance extension, then you will see a few buttons. You can choose buy, and this is going to allow you to buy with MoonPay, and I do not recommend MoonPay because their fees are super high. It's going to be a whole lot cheaper to send the BNB tokens from the Binance trading platform to the wallet. As you can see, the lowest fee is by using Binance Smart Chain. So if you go to Binance, you can create an account on this platform. I'll have a link in the description below if you need to sign up. And then what you will need to do is go to the top left of the screen and choose Buy Crypto. And then you can choose BNB. And then you can add a payment method. And I'm going to use debit card for this example. So then you need to fill all this out, and then after you have completed the payment details, then go to the top of the page and click on Wallet, then go over and click on Deposit. Choose US dollar, and then the card that you added should be available down here. And then confirm deposit. Now you can go to the Buy Crypto button and choose BNB. And I'll use my US dollar balance, review the purchase, and confirm the purchase. Once your BNB tokens are in your balance, then you can go back over to Pancakeswap and go to the top right side of the page and choose Wallet. Here you can copy your wallet address and then go back to Binance, and you can go to the top right and choose Withdraw. Choose BNB. You can choose max if you want. For the network, you want to choose BEP20. This is Binance Smart Chain. And now you're going to paste the address. Once you've done that, choose Preview Withdrawal, and Confirm Withdrawal. And then choose Send SMS, and then choose Done. Then go to your email and click on the confirmation link. If everything went as it should, then you should now have your BNB tokens on Pancakeswap. The next step is to swap the BNB tokens for Galactic Kitty Fighters. So if you go down to the drop down menu, you will find it is not in this list. So what you need to do is go find the address. If you go back to coinmarketcap.com and then go to Galactic Kitty Fighters, if you go down, you will find the address right down here under the contracts. So all you have to do is copy the address, then go back to Pancakeswap, and then paste the address in this bar, and then choose Import. Now GFK is added down here, so just choose the amount of BNB you would like to swap, and then choose Swap. If you get a message that says the transaction cannot succeed due to error, cannot estimate gas, you may have to try it a second time. I tried it again and mine went through. Choose Confirm. And transaction submitted. And that's how you buy Galactic Kitty Fighters on Pancakeswap. Thanks for watching.